So what's up mga kabugok?
Balik.
Go.
1, 2, 3, go.
So what's up mga
Nay lang kung MT mo good. What's up mga kabugok?
What's up mga kabugok? For today's videos mga kabugok, mag-uuling challenge muna kami mga kabugok.
So ang rules and regulation namin mga kabugok ngayon kung sino ang magkamali sa pagdugtong ng lyrics ng kanta mga kabugok, sa yung lalagyan ng uling sa mukha. Ala, tingnan natin ngayon kung sino ang magmurag lubot na to.
Oh my God! Wow!
Bato pick muna tayo kung sino mauna.
Yeah, let's go! Bato, pick!
Ay, talo ako mga kabugok. So let's go.
Panalo
Ako yung mauna. Mr. DJ, play the...
You know I want you.
Handa na ako mga kabugok.
It's not a secret I try to hide. I know you want me. So don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's...
5, 4, 3, 2,
Get it, get.
1.
Your claim it's not in the cards, so you were able to be just you and me. Sakto ba?
Sayang!
Ano
yung mga? Oy!
Kamuta lang daw ko yun.
Kapag lang na mga kabugok.
Dire lang sa.
Tingnan niya.
Dire lang sa, oh. Sige, ikaw naman. Sige.
miles away and out of reach from me, but you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide?
And you're my destiny. What if we rewrite the stars?
That you're my destiny. What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were meant to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me.
No one could say what we get to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Yes!
Nice. Oh my God! Wow!
Paminawa, mau ba?
No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we maybe the world could be ours tonight. You think it's easy?
It's not a certain in time.
Lagi mau! So ako naman mga kabugok, sige.
There are mountains, and there are doors that we can walk through.
Balos na mga kabugok. Balos na! Gande! Mikos! 5.
I know you're wondering. Wala ka balaw! Play! Bumaba!
I know you're wondering why, because we're able to be just you.
Sayok!
Handa na tayo mga kabugok!
These walls, when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see.
And there is nothing to be with you.
Mali!
It was hopeless.
Sayang!
No one can rewrite the stars. How can you say you're mine? Everything keeps us apart, and I'm not the one you were meant to find. It's not up to you, it's not up to me. When everyone tells us what we can be, how can we rewrite
that the world... Natayog! Di mau!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bayo kayo naman. Kinalay dari diapon. Okay.
Say that the world can be ours tonight. All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you.
So what if we realize...
Stop it. Get some help.
Mali!
Just give me all.
Hindi pa nakulos yun.
How do we rewrite the stars? Say you were meant to be mine. Nothing can keep us apart.
'Cause you'll be the one you were meant to find.
Ay, parang mali ah.
Wala!
I was meant to find.
Ayay! You're not the one, di ay. Mali.
And it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars?
To you with what could be ours.
Tignan natin.
Yes! Mali pa rin! Yes! Kapalos na.
Kunti lang sa akin.
Yes!
You know I want you.
You know I want you. Imusmus na to imong nabong.
Ay sa.
Gusto you know I want you. And you know you want me.
Yeah. Mana. Katura siguro ba si Bao siguro mo sige play.
It's not a secret.
Ano natin ba? Gamot! Ayaw, gamot!
Hanggang dito lang po tayo mga kabugok sa may gusto po ng part 2 ng aming challenge ngayon, mag-comment lang po kayo at mag-comment din po kayo kung ano ang kanta at ano po ang consequence ng challenge niyo po sa amin. At huwag niyo pong kalimutan mga kabugok na mag-follow, comment, share, and like sa aming Facebook, TikTok, at YouTube channel. At huwag niyo po kalimutan mag-subscribe. So, at dito lang po nagtatapos ang aming vlog mga kabugok at maraming salamat. Hope you enjoy the video na mga kabugok. So, thank you po.